Welcome, dear students. Today we are going to see the experiment to determine the humidity of air by dew point method. So, the requirement for this experiment is that in apparatus we will require water bath, thermometer, tripod stand, glass rod, etc. And in chemicals we will require ice and water. Now let us see what is humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere. The humidity of air is the ratio of mass of water vapor associated with mass of dry air. It is a dimensionless quantity. Humidity is a significant aspect of the atmosphere because it affects the weather and the climate. There are three main types of humidity. The first one is the absolute humidity. It is the amount of water vapor in the 1 cubic meter volume of air at a given temperature. Its SI unit is kg per meter cube. Second type of humidity is relative humidity. It is the percent of saturation humidity that is actually present in the air. And the last type of humidity is the specific humidity. It is the ratio of mass of water vapor in the atmosphere to the mass of air. Its SI unit is gram per kg. Now let us see the method for humidity measurement. First is the dew point method. Second is the wet and dry bulb method. Third is chemical or physical absorption methods. Next is electrical conductivity measurements. Then we also have hair hygrometer. Also we have thermal conductivity meters. Now we will see the dew point method. First we should know what is a dew point. So dew point is a temperature at which the air becomes fully saturated with water vapor when the air is cooled by removing the sensible heat. At the dew point temperature, the partial pressure of the water vapor is exactly equal to its saturation value. The sensible heat of water includes that whenever in any liquid state, the water molecules, they form strong hydrogen bonds between the molecules. In order to evaporate this water, heat must be given to break this hydrogen bonds. And you should allow the individual molecules to break off as gas. So this supplied heat is called as the sensible heat. Now let us see what is dew formation. Dew formation occurs when the surface temperature is at the dew point, at which the water vapor it condenses into the liquid water. The hydrogen bonds between water molecules form again by releasing the heat. So at dew point, more water molecules will condense on the surface than evaporating from the surface. That is, number of water molecules striking the surface and forming the hydrogen bond with other water molecules is higher than the number of molecules breaking the hydrogen bonds and separating off as the gas. So humidity of air is measured by locating dew point on the psychrometric chart. Now let us see how do you determine the humidity by psychrometric chart. We have charts available. So here first we will see the procedure and then we will see the chart. So what you have to do here, first you will have to take the dew point temperature on the x-axis as point A, and then we will draw a straight upward line which will intersect at 100% relative humidity curve at point C. Okay, now from point C we will draw a straight line to y-axis as point E. This intersecting point, it is going to indicate you humidity of the air. Now let us see how we are going to determine the relative humidity by psychrometric chart. Now again here we will locate the atmospheric temperature on x-axis, that is the dry bulb temperature as point B, and we will draw upward straight line to intersect the line CE. Then we will draw a parallel percent relative humidity curve to this intersecting point D, and it will indicate the percent relative humidity of the air. Now this is the psychrometric chart. What we are going to do, see, at point A we will locate the dew point. From here on this 100% relative curve, we will draw a straight line and it will intersect at C. From here we will draw a line towards E, and this gives you the relative humidity of the air. Okay. Now we will take the atmospheric temperature on this axis we will draw a straight line which will coincide with this line, and by drawing this curve you will get the percent relative humidity of the air at that point. Okay, so in this way we read the psychrometric charts. So first of all we will see, using this thermometer, what is the temperature of this area. Now if you can see here, the temperature is up to 25 degrees Celsius. So we will say that temperature of this room is 25 degrees. Okay. Now this is a water bath in which we have taken water, tap water, and we have placed it on a tripod stand. In this we have also added ice cubes, and now we will measure the temperature of this water until a dew film will be formed on the wall of this beaker. Okay, that temperature we will record in our recordings. Okay, and that is used to determine the humidity and percentage of relative humidity. Now if you can see here, water film has started to occur here. Okay, see, now this is the temperature at which there has occurred the formation of the film, and you can note down the temperature at this point. As you can see here, the temperature on this thermometer is showing the reading of 18 degrees Celsius. So that we can say that at 18 degrees there has started formation of the film on this water bath. So now let us see the observation table. It consists of columns. So in the first thing we have written the dew point. We have measured it thrice. So first we got 19 degrees, then we got 18 degrees 2 times. So we will take average of this and we get average dew point as 18 degrees. Next we have taken the atmospheric temperature and it read on the thermometer as 25 degrees. Okay. Now what we will do, we will plot our points here. So first was the dew point, that is 18. We have plotted it here on this 100% relative humidity chart. Okay. Now from here we will draw a next line towards this y-axis. So this is our relative humidity. Now from 25 degrees, which was our room temperature, we have plotted this point, okay, on this axis, on this line. So now this gives us our percent relative humidity. So from this graph you can see the percent relative humidity was 60%. Okay. So now we will complete our observation table as humidity was 13 and percent relative humidity was 60. So now we will write the result as humidity in the atmospheric air was found to be 13 and percent relative humidity in the atmospheric air was found to be 60%. So this was all about dew point method. Thank you for watching.